ganito, hindi pa nag-iisip na dapat ilagay sa isang plastic. Diba? Kailangan pag asa yung pagkain.
Pwede mo yung pera. Yan ko yung para sa ilagay. Ano ka yung jacket mo na? Okay, now Sarah will count how many what is this hair clip? Well, okay, whatever. It's like 1, okay. 2, okay. 3, all right. 4, 5. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, okay. 6. All right, she's arranging. Okay. 7. All right. 8. Okay. 9. Right. 10. There's one more here. 11. You got 2. 12. 13. 12. Okay. 14. Okay. Okay. 17. Okay. And 21. Okay, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Hooray! You have 28 hairs for you. So what's your name?
Sarah.
How old are you?
2.
Well, say thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.